Hi everyone, this is Sadan Manzoor, a student of LL.M final year, Central University of Punjab. Today I am going to discuss with you what's an arrest and what are the rights of a person who is arrested by the authorities. It is as a part of my legal aid awareness. So first of all, let me know what's an arrest. An arrest is an act of apprehending and taking a person into custody, legal protection or control, usually because the person has been suspected of or observed committing a crime. After being taken into custody, the person can be questioned further or charged. An arrest is a procedure in a criminal justice system. Sometimes it's also done after a court warrant for the arrest. As per legal dictionary by Farlex, arrest means a seizure or forceful restraint of an exercise of the power to deprive a person of his or her liberty. The taking or keeping of a person in custody by legal authority, especially in response to a criminal charge. Arrest involves restriction of liberty of a person arrested and therefore infringes the basic human rights of liberty. Nevertheless, the Constitution of India as well as international human rights law recognizes the power of the state to arrest any person as a part of its primary role of maintaining law and order. The Constitution requires a just, fair, and reasonable procedure established by law, under which alone such deprivation of liberty is permissible. A large number of complaints pertaining to human rights violation are in the area of abuse of police powers, particularly those of arrests and detention. It has therefore become necessary with a view of narrowing the gap between law and practice to prescribe guidelines regarding arrest, even while at the same time not unduly curtailing the power of the police to effectively maintain and enforce law and order and proper investigation. Now the thing is, why is arrest of a person necessary? So there are some reasons why a person should be arrested. First is for securing attendance at trial, to obtain correct name and address, prevent obstructing a police officer in execution of his duty, for retaking a person escaped from custody, to prevent such person from committing any further offense. Other is to prevent disappear or tampering with evidence used in trial. And last one may be to prevent inducement, treat any person acquainted with facts of the case. Now, therefore, till the time crime isn't proven, there are certain rights of a person accused of crime. In India, these rights of the accused are given on the lines of let hundreds go unpunished, but never punish an innocent person. Where the right of the accused at different stages include the rights of a person before his or her trial begins, the right of the accused in India during a court trial, and the rights of a person arrested in India after his trial is completed. So let me talk about those rights which are given to a person in the pre-trial stage. These are the rights of a person accused of a crime such that their freedom and liberty are not hampered. The first stage of a trial is pre-trial stage. Here an FIR is filed on the basis of which the police arrests a person, searches his property. The stage prior to the commencement of the court trial is extremely crucial. So any person accused of the crime must be granted the following accused rights. The first right is the right to know about the accusations and charges. The second right is a right against wrongful arrest. The third one is the right to accuse of privacy and protection against the unlawful searches. Other right is right against self-incrimination. Other one is right against double jeopardy. Other is right against the ex post facto laws. Right to bail, right to legal aid, right to a free and expeditious trial. Now, at the second stage, that is during the trial, the person is having certain rights that are provided when their trial is ongoing in the court. It has been observed that the state has to ensure that due process of law is followed. The accused gets a quick and impartial trial. The accused is not subjected to torture or force to implicate himself. The rights of the accused during the trial may include right to be present during a trial, right to get copies of documents, right to be considered innocent till proven guilty, right to be present at the trial, and last one is the right to cross examination. And lastly, there is a third stage, that's post trial, and the rights available to a arrested person after post trial may be divided into two parts. One is when the person is declared innocent, and other is when the person is declared guilty. At the time when he is declared innocent, he is having a right to get the copy of the judgment and right to receive the protection from police if there are reasons to believe that there is a threat to his life and post acquittal. And at the time when he is proven guilty, he is having certain rights, which include right to appeal, right to humane treatment in prison, right to have family visits in jail, and right against solitary confinement. Thank you. Hope this video will help you to understand the actual concept of arrest and what are the rights available to a person who is being arrested. Thank you.